Actually, what actually the grab does, the grab actually filters, searches a file or a particular pattern of a character and display all lines that contain that pattern. Basically, what it does, it will search a specific word to a file, and if the word matches, then it will show all the file from that uh, content of the file. Okay, so let me show an example. Let me go to the in here. Okay, so for that, let me just create another. Sorry, let me go to the home folder and let me just create another folder in here like touch grep.txt. Oh, sorry, the spelling mistake. See, if you make any error, so it will actually show you like what is the error. So you make sure you also read the error. So to have more better understanding, grep.txt. Okay, so right now I just for sim like just I copy this one. Okay, like this is a text which I prepared early to make the demonstration more easy. Yeah, this one is the cat command, then the grab.text. In here I just have to paste it. Okay, so for pasting you can't use the control plus v, so if you use it, see, there's nothing happen. So for that, see, there's nothing happen. Okay, so to paste it in here, what we can use, you can use shift, then your keyboard there is the insert button. So click on the shift and hit the insert button, then this model will be pop up. You just have to okay, then if you paste. So let me save it and let's see if it actually saves or not. Get then the grab. Okay, txt, see, you have to save. So let me clear this. Okay, so to file a name to actually search like from this one, let me show again like that in here. Like I want to search the tag that actually content quick. Okay, so for that I have to use this command like grab, then the word name, like the word that I want to search is quick. If it's quick, and then the file name, like which win file I want to search it, like this grab.text. Press enter now. See, this quick is actually in two file right now. I think the quick is here, the quick is here. Can it actually give me the line that actually contains this specific word? Okay, so like now I can use the like suppose I want all the line that actually doesn't contain this quick word. Okay, so for that I can use the grab and hyphen then v actually means it won't show the line that actually contain a specific word. After that I have to give the word. For that I just going to give the quick again, quick, then the file name which is the grab.text. Is enter now. See, in here I cannot see the quick. I can see the quick, but it has a capital Q. It doesn't show anything that contains the small quick. Okay, so by using this grab we can search in a file.